In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk tag contacts by uploading email addresses to your audience. Tagging contacts is a simple way to keep your list organized, target the right people, and save time when sending campaigns. We'll walk through exactly where to go, what to click, and how to prepare your file so the upload goes smoothly. Start by heading to the audience section in your account. This is the hub for everything related to your subscribers, and it's where tagging lives. Once you're there, look for the area dedicated to tags. Tags act like labels you can apply to contacts, so you can group them by interest, behavior, or any other category that makes sense for your workflow. Before you proceed, it helps to have a clear tag name in mind, something short, descriptive, and easy to recognize later. Next, open the Tags area and choose the tag you plan to use, or confirm the one you want to apply. With your tag selected, find and click the option for Bulk Tag Contacts. This tells the system you want to add multiple people to that tag at once, rather than doing it one by one. It's a great time saver, and it won't create duplicates in your audience if the same email is already on your list. It will simply apply the tag. You'll land on a screen that says, "Choose how to submit your contacts' emails." This is where you decide how you're going to provide the list of addresses. For this walkthrough, choose Upload Email Addresses. Uploading is ideal if you already have a file prepared and want to move quickly. Now it's time to upload your file. The system accepts either a CSV file or a tab-delimited text file. Keep your file clean and simple. One email per row, with an optional header like email on the first line. Avoid extra columns unless they're specifically required. Remove blank rows, and make sure there are no spaces before or after the email addresses. If you exported your list from another tool, open it briefly to confirm everything looks tidy. Saving as UTF-8 encoded CSV is a safe choice to prevent strange characters. If you see any upload errors, they're usually caused by formatting issues like missing @ symbols, hidden characters, or merged cells. Fix those in your spreadsheet and try again. Once your file is attached, you're set. The platform will process the upload and apply the tag to every valid email in the file. That's all there is to it. Organized, precise, and fast.